hello good people. Peekaboo. I love you too. Yep, hello good people. It's great for you to visit. Hey Dolly. You say goodnight good people. It's late here. It's our Thursday night here. I should show the people how you sort of wrapped around there and your big long tail. Oh. Her tail is so long. Wait, really? Oops, I lost it there. There. But she keeps it up. She keeps herself. I suppose that's what you do. Hey, you're forever manicuring your nails. Some people call them claws. We call them fingernails. Well, I just call them your nails. And you're forever preening yourself and making yourself look very beautiful. Yes, Dolly. We appreciate the hard work you do to keep yourself in such good condition for us, and your conversations and hallelujah. Yeah. Oh, did you say you're welcome? Yeah, thank you, Dolly. You can say, you're welcome. Thank you, Dolly. You're just having a fun little... You must be tired though, so we will say goodbye, will we? Or good night, and again, happy Thursday. Have a great Thursday, guys. We're a bit ahead of most people, if you're not in Australia. Hey, Dolly. That's right. Say night, good people. Go around the other side. It's a massive condo. There you go. Hey. Hey, my baby. Night, Dolly. Oops, a bit dark in this corner. People can't see properly. I can, but... Good night. Night, Dolly. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, Dolly, good night. I love you. You're going to have a preen before you go to sleep? Yeah? She's waiting for the cover to come down. That's why she's had a little look around there. So I think it's time to cover her up for the night. Yeah, so you can have a big sleep. Yep, that's right. You're a good bird. Alright, night everyone. I hope you have a great Thursday. Take care. Love to all. See ya.